GBPUSD this week did not make any big movements because we can see that the price is bouncing between price levels, making decision candles, and on a Thursday something has happened and the price made a breakout outside of this small range area where the price closed the day above these highs. So on the Friday we can see that the price tried to reach higher price levels and then bouncing back down, returning all the way and also closing below. So we had a small breakout inside this range area on the upside, and then on a Friday small breakout to the downside on this area. So we can see that the price is still jumping between these two support and resistance levels, between resistance 1.27 and also below 1.262 as a support. On the weekly time frame we can see how this looks. In the previous week the price has gone down a little bit, and we can see this week the price has also dropped. This Friday candle has made this candle as a bearish one like this just because of the strong selling pressure on the Friday on the around 1.27 price level. So we can see what happens here. Currently the price is still on the support level that needs to be broken in order to continue to fall even more down. Now on the monthly time frame we can see that the previous month was ended as an indecision small candle which is inside the previous candle. So this means it is indecision on the market and some kind of a breakout will happen eventually. Will the price go out above 1.27 and also below 1.262? This will be everything visible on the daily time frame, but for now as it looks we are still inside this decision range area and it is very hard to predict where the price will close because the previous month was not jumping too much outside of this range area, and also it will possibly that this month will also do that, but everything can happen because we can see that very important level is 1.262, and if it happens breakout to the downside, the next stop where the price will stop is this around 1.243. We can see it here as the first support level, and also then start of this demand zone here 1.233. But if it goes above and price closes above 1.272, the next one is 1.28. Now if we go to the weekly time frame we can see this is a very important level, this support at 1.262. If that price makes a breakout, the next level where the price will stop on the weekly time frame is 1.256. We can see it here in the past. The price was stopping always around this price level and also on this one, and then if the price goes down the next stop will be here 1.245. That is the case when the price goes below this support level, and this is something that we will see much more clearly on the daily time frame. On the upper side, if the price goes above 1.27 price level, we can see that the next level is 1.28. This is the first resistance, but if that breakout happens, it will be much more visible on the daily time frame, which are very important levels. Now we can see here, the price needs to make a breakout to the downside below 1.262 in order to reach this one, 1.254. When that happens, there is possibility that the price will reach also this one, 1.25 with the wicks, and then we will see what happens. On the upper side, if the price makes a breakout above 1.278, the first stop will be around 1.29, but we have seen that also 1.28 is very close, but 1.28 is also above the upper side of this supply zone, so it is also a very important level that the price needs to make a breakout. For GBPUSD, currently everything is still open as it was before several weeks ago, because we can see that the whole month was indecision jumping between these two price levels. Until the breakout happens, it is the best to wait, because when the breakout happens it will be a very clear signal where the price will move, and based on the monthly and also weekly analysis we could see a large moves, for example from 1.262 down to 1.245, which is the first support level and also a demand zone. On the upper side, the next level will be around 1.3 price level, which is a very important and also a monthly, weekly and also daily resistance level. If the breakout happens on the market, something happens, bullish or bearish breakout happens, and also what would be the next target, I will share that inside the trading community. So if you would like to check that, feel free to check the link below in the description. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.